I'm going to show you how to set up your GoDaddy account into Outlook. So to get started, make sure you go to your GoDaddy account and then go to your settings right here, and then make sure you go to email and office. And then once you're in email office, make sure you go to the bottom right here and then go to users and then select your email right here or manage your email. And then once you're done with that, you don't have to go to Outlook 365. And then from Outlook 365, make sure you just have to click and add an account. It is pretty much straightforward right here. So from here, you just have to go to Outlook and then click on add account, and then a pop-up will show up right here, and then input your GoDaddy account or email right here. And then once you're done inputting all the necessary informations like email and then passwords into your Outlook, it will just automatically add into Outlook, and it will connect automatically and set up your GoDaddy email or your GoDaddy account into Outlook 365. So from there, once you're done with that, it will just pop up or show up right in beside this or underneath the add account or add above the add account right here. So that's pretty much it. It will just pop up right there. So that's how to connect or set up your GoDaddy account into Outlook 365.